Every connected device relies on cryptographic keys and certificates to securely authenticate its network connections. These keys and certificates must be loaded into the embedded system through a process called provisioning, and they should be updatable to meet IoT regulations. Provisioning requires an infrastructure that links the factory, cloud platform, and embedded system. When provisioning is done properly, keys are securely generated in the secure IC and linked to the cloud, all without exposing sensitive information during manufacturing. Unfortunately, one common approach is top-down provisioning, where keys are created in the cloud and transferred to devices at some point during manufacturing. This method increases risk of duplication, forgery, and intellectual property theft because cryptographic secrets are handled outside a secure hardware environment. It also increases complexity and cost as the factory and cloud platforms must both support extensive customization. A more secure option is bottom-up provisioning, which is used by our TrustFlex and TrustCustom solutions. With this approach, keys are generated within the secure IC and connected to a cloud platform using a manifest file. This method reduces risk of key exposure, but leaves developers responsible for creating a key management system to update credentials, which includes a secure cloud infrastructure and related library in the embedded system. Without this, credentials are static, limiting long-term flexibility. Our TrustMANAGER solution is a cost-effective turnkey infrastructure that integrates silicon, factory operations, cloud platforms, and root certificate authorities through in-field provisioning. By using birth credentials generated on the secure IC, devices can be integrated into embedded systems as generic products. Once online after deployment, the birth credentials enable a secure connection to Keystream, and the device is then provisioned with the customer's custom credentials. This method eliminates exposure risk during manufacturing, reduces infrastructure cost, and simplifies inventory management by removing the need to manage unique custom part numbers for each project. Product manufacturers can easily manage their devices remotely to update keys, certificates, and firmware seamlessly through Keystream throughout the device lifecycle. Developers are also only charged for provisioning if the device connects. TrustMANAGER contributes to achieving compliance with the EU's Cyber Resilience Act and similar legislation by enabling secure patch delivery and remote updates of cryptographic assets to provide security by design for the entire device lifecycle.